Want to learn how to use Microsoft Teams on your PC? In this guide, I'll walk you through the main features, including chats, teams and channels, meetings, calls, files, and basic settings. Whether you're completely new to Teams or just need a quick refresher, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, take a look at the navigation on the left side. Depending on your account and organization, you may see options such as chat, Teams, calendar, calls, and other apps. To send someone a message, select Chat and choose New Message. Enter a person's name or email address, type your message, and select Send. You can also send files, links, emojis, and other content directly through chat. Next, you'll find Teams and Channels. A team is used to organize people around a project, department, class, or group. Inside a team, channels help separate conversations and work by topic. Select a team, choose a channel, and use the posts or conversation area to communicate with members. Teams also makes it easy to work with files. Open a chat or channel and look for the files area. From there, you can upload documents, open shared files, and work with files connected to your Microsoft services. To manage meetings, open Calendar. You'll see upcoming events from Teams and connected Microsoft calendars. Select a meeting to view its details, then choose Join when it's time to attend. Teams also lets you create and manage meetings from the calendar. When joining a meeting, check your microphone and camera before entering. Once you're inside, you can mute or unmute yourself, turn your camera on or off, use chat, and share your screen when permitted. Teams meetings support audio, video, and screen sharing. To present something during a meeting, select Share. Depending on the meeting and your permissions, you can choose your entire screen or a specific window. Select what you want to present and continue with your meeting. During a meeting, select Chat to send messages without interrupting the conversation. You can use the chat to share information, links, or files. Meeting chat may also remain available after the meeting, depending on the meeting and organization settings. Finally, open your profile picture and select settings to customize Teams. You can manage notifications, appearance, language, devices, privacy, and other preferences. If you're using a microphone, camera, or headset, the device settings are especially useful for checking your audio and video. And that's the basics of using Microsoft Teams on a PC. Start with chat, learn how Teams and channels work, manage your calendar, join meetings, share your screen, work with files, and customize your settings. So once you get familiar with these features, Teams becomes much easier to use.